some other gardeners with domestic bores, I was concerned to hear that the 2-day sprinkler roster for scheme water users now also applies to bore owners in Perth and Mandurah. I wondered if people would bother with their gardens anymore or just pave over everything. However, my fellow bore owners, we can keep our gardens looking wonderful on a 2-day sprinkler roster. Here are a few tips. Apply a good quality wetting agent every couple of months. This helps the soil retain and absorb water around the root zone. Constantly improve your soil with compost, manure, clay, worm juice to build up the biology in the soil. Apply a 5 centimetre thick mulch to all garden beds, including natives, twice a year. Set your controller for your 2 rostered watering days and only water before 9 AM or after 6 PM to reduce evaporation loss. Please help protect our precious groundwater resources and the environments they support. Learn more at begroundwaterwise.wa.gov.au.